So what is up, guys? Welcome back to Kawaii Banana. So today I'm going to be doing a video. It is going to be real versus fake squishies. So I'm going to give an example if you guys don't know what I mean. It won't be a real example, but so like just pretend this one was a cookie too, and so this one, let's just say this one iBloom cookie, and this one was this was the iBloom cookie, and this was the soft and slow cookie, and then I will compare them and say, so I think maybe so this just see which one's more so rising, or this one was rising, and then we compare the prices, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah. Okay, so I will be right back. I have to get started, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back from getting set up, and I got all the squishies, and so my first comparison is this against this. And so this is the squishy from Mr. Pineapple, and this is just like a cheap 99-cent squishy. And so first comparison, this one's way bigger than this one. Sorry about that. And the colors are different, and I mean this one's like paint is peeling off and dirty, this one's not, and this one has a face and sunglasses. This doesn't have anything. This one has a little keychain, and that one doesn't. Okay, so let's start. So this one didn't come with packaging, so we're gonna give the real 1 point so far, and then we're going to this one has any points so far, and then so now we're gonna do squishiness. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. Okay, so I'm so sorry, I have a cold. I just really want to make a video for you guys. So I'm gonna squish it at the same time. Okay, I wasn't looking. Let me do this again. Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna squish up here. Okay, definitely this one. And so this one the reel has 2 points now, so ooh. So this one has 2 points, and this one has 0, so yeah. Yeah, this one's more so rising, way more than this little. Okay, so now we're going to look at the scent. This one does not have any scent. Has the best pineapple scent. So this one gets a 3rd point. This one has 0. The last and final round of these two is just the looks. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can tell which one I'm gonna pick. I'm going to pick, of course, the Squishy Fun Pineapple, just because like it has good paint job, and it's not like messed up or anywhere, and it's like good. But this where the paint's peeling off, it's like dirty, has a marker on it and everything, it's just messed up. So yeah, we're gonna get on to the next one now. Bye. Okay, I'm back from that little thing where I stopped it. So now the next comparison is actually very similar, actually. Not in size, but like when I saw a squishy, I was like, oh, it's like it has to do this comparison. Okay, so the iBloom I Am a Tokyo Milk Toast versus this little 99-cent little milk toast. Yes. Okay, so first packaging one, because this packaging is, I love the packaging. It shows it and it says iBloom, and I just love this packaging. And it says, you know, I'm a Tokyo milk toast, and yes, and then Kuromoto brand. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Yeah, so this one won that one little round. Next round is, so now to squishiness. I'm pretty sure which one's gonna win. I think this one's gonna win, 100%. Okay, so let me open it up. Okay. wow. Okay, I haven't touched it in a while, but so here it is. You can tell that it is so soft because I'm holding it like this, and it's literally flapping over. It's so soft. And I look, watch this. Like, I'm barely even touching it. Okay, so pretty easy. It's like the little baby of it. Okay, so pretty pretty easy with this. I'm just gonna do one little finger. It's already done. Like, do you see that? Like, what? I'm shook. Shook. Like, look at those hand crinkles. I love this squishy. Oh, it has air in it. Probably can't hear because of the background music, but has air in it. I might have to take a break, so because I cough. Okay, so it's super squishy, of course, and now the scent, which is gonna be pretty. Okay, so this one has 2 points already. This one has 0, and so let me smell it. 100%. I'm just kidding. This one won. It smells so good. It smells just like strawberries. Yeah, okay, so just this one is amazing. Okay, so next comparison, I will be right back. And next comparison, boom. Okay, guys, so I'm back for a little pause, and here's the next comparison. Soft and Soul jumbo cake and the Tea Brew strawberry rainbow cake. I know it's the rainbow one, but yeah, because it just looks pretty strawberry. I mean, like, it's strawberry, so I was just like pretty strawberry here. Okay, so pretty obvious. Okay, so first point, packaging. Packaging goes to this one. 100% packaging. It's super adorable. It's so cute. And it says, so scented, strawberry cake, Tea Brew squishy, and it's so cute. So cute. Okay, and I love the little dots. Okay. So this one has 1 point. So real, 1 point. And then, so now, squishiness test. I haven't got the squishy out of packaging in a while because it's pretty hard to put back in, so I don't really take it out often, but we're going to do it for the video, okay. Okay. So soft, okay. Okay, this was one of my, I think pretty first videos, maybe my 5th video, maybe. Sickness. Okay, so you see this right here. Magnificent. I know. Okay, so squishiness test. Okay, so I'm going to squish the strawberry in this one because the strawberry. Okay, and then I'm gonna squish the whole thing for this and see what happens. Okay. Okay, so let me hold it like this. Okay. Ready? Go back up. Okay, ready? Set, go. Let go. Oh no! It's already. Oh, what the? Okay, I'm gonna do this again. Wait until it rise back up. Okay. So it's risen. Well, pretty much. Okay, so it's risen now. So ready, set, go, and up. It's already done. Like, it's so unsurprising. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, watch this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 seconds for this rise. It still has little crinkles. Now this one, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm just over this one. Okay. I'm just done. It's like shook. It's just so amazing. Okay, sorry, I just was squishing this. Okay. Amazing. I absolutely love squishing. Let me just grab the other bunch. Oh, yeah, I forgot. We gotta pause the video first, so be right back. Okay, guys, so I have the next pair, and, wait, is that it? Oh, it's actually it. Okay, but I have a special guest. He's my dog. Here he is. Raven. It's my dog, Raven. Wanna say hi? Hi. Do the outro with me? Okay. Okay, so here. Okay, so I'm going to give a shout out to some people who are just really supporting my channel and always commenting on my videos and just supporting it, saying nice things. And so the first shout out goes to I'm Lady Phantom. She is aka Giovanni. She was in we did a collab together, and so yeah, one shout out goes to her. She's always commenting on videos, super nice things. And also Hope A, he is a friend from school, and he always commenting nice things on my videos, and a really nice supporter. And okay, and also Harain Gibson, she doesn't comment a lot on my videos, but for the ones that she did, they were very kind comments. So those are the 3 shout outs today. These people are very kind, and I love their comments, and I always heart them, and they're just amazing. So yeah, and the comment question of the day is, do you want me to do reaction videos? Because I would love to do that. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those post notifications, and like the video if you enjoyed. And I already said the comment question of the day. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Wait, not yet. And bye.